What's up, guys?
Hello,
How is it? How
everyone.
is it? Muriku's gonna say.
So, guys, we are here and a good news to those who want to make money on social media. So, for those who want to open my pages, antika vada kuchengetera my pages avo vakahekwa vada kuhekenura my page avo, those who forgot their passwords or their login information to my old accounts, they want to recover it, all of that. Batai Stuart Nyamayaro.
So, guys, a lot of people are suffering. A lot of people vari kunetseka nemapages akahekwa. A lot of people vari kutyira mapeji avo anohekwa. Vanoda kusecure mapages avo. Vanoda kubatsirwa monetization processes. Vanoda kubatsirwa zvakasiyana siyana. Vanoda kubatsirwa kurecover Facebook pages, my YouTube channels. Vanoda kubatsirwa kurecover even
my WhatsApp channels, my WhatsApp accounts. A lot of people are kuhekwa kuma WhatsApp. All of that.
If you want a blue badge, bata Stuart Nyamayaro anokupedzera masport so number dzake ndo dziri pa screen apo, unongobata twangu shasha tikuda kubatsirwa so ndadai vanoita kuti zvinhu zvese zvidi
make money on social media, guys. Make money.
Make sure kuti you contact Stuart Nyamayaro anopedza masports zvese zvamungada kuziva about monetization, whatever you want to know about content creation as well. My blue badge, Instagram,
everything
TikTok,
about social media. Contact him. But you must know everything is not for free. I know a lot of you guys you help you, but it's not for free.
He will help you.
He knows everything, but not for free. I repeat, because there are some people, time wasters, who just go, hey, my WhatsApp is hacked, hey, my page is hacked, so you want me to recover your page? Just that? No, guys. So please, everything you want to know about social media, contact Stuart Nyamayaro. You can secure your protector page rako risatombogare rahekwa, everything anokwanisa kuitira izvozvo kuchengetera page rako, all that, because maikazi vari pabasa. Saka you need someone like Stuart Nyamayaro mulife mako achikuchengetera zvinhu zvako, and you'll be creating content, making money on social media, and also anokwanisa tokubatsira futi nema ideas on how to create that content, how to market you, like everything, guys, everything social media. Just thank you.
Even if you're an upcoming artist, you want your song to be on a big platform, but Stuart Nyamayaro ane ma platforms mahombe kubva ku YouTube, Instagram nemamwe akasiyana siyana.